What's up guys? Today we have a really dope video. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna show it in the thumbnail or not yet, so maybe not. You guys will see in the thumbnail, like in the title, what this video is about, like specifically. But yeah, I've been kind of hinting at me working with the new company recently. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, I'm a lot more active on Instagram. But I've been hinting on Instagram at a new company I've been working with, so you guys may or may not know actually what's in the box as well. Anyways, let's just go ahead and get straight into it, guys. This is the box, guys. I gotta cover my address and stuff, but first things first, shout out to Apex Built. This right here, guys, honestly is what makes a company like a good company. They have Apex Built branded boxes, guys. They literally have please handle with care, fragile, Apex Built sticker. Having stuff like this is really cool with anything you buy, guys, whether it's car parts or like anything else. Having stuff like this just makes the unboxing experience and like just the experience of getting the item just like way more nice. But anyways, let me go ahead and open it and show you guys what's actually in the box. I got my knife right here. So again, I still gotta cover my address, but so first things first, Apex Built jet tags. Oh, no way. So he did say he was gonna send out some merch. I didn't know it was gonna come in a freaking bag like this too, though. This is sick. I'm definitely keeping this in the car, guys. I forgot what these like bags are called, but it's kind of like those like sport bags that you use. This is sick. Oh, we got a whole bunch of Apex Built stickers. Excuse the noise, guys. I'm in the garage and we have the washer and dryer here. But anyways, this right here is the holy grail. Let's take this out and see if you guys can guess what it is. So I actually couldn't decide whether I wanted to use silver ones of these or black ones. So he actually sent me both. Huge shout out to him for that. But we have some, what are these called, like rubber couplings? We got 4 of them right here. And I believe there's something else, this thing right here, which I believe I know what this is. But over here is the part we're all waiting for, guys. Oh my god, you can actually see it through right there a little bit. Oh my god, I'm so excited to freaking see these. Unfortunately, we're not gonna get to the actual install today. By today, I mean today for me. It's gonna be in this video, obviously. But unfortunately, we're not gonna get into the actual install today. It's already late, so it's way too dark outside. And I already know I'm gonna be struggling and I'm not gonna be recording good and stuff like that. So I'd rather just wait for tomorrow during the daytime and record like a good video. But I was way too excited to wait till tomorrow to open it, so I wanted to open it today. But yeah, let me go ahead and continue real quick and show you guys what we actually got. Dude, these are so sick. Oh my god, bro, it's like I'm opening another Christmas present. Oh my god, dude. Ooh. These are titanium charge pipes for the M5, and you guys want to see the coolest part of all? I don't know if you guys can pick it up on camera, but right here it says Apex Built, obviously, and handmade for Anthony Ulloa. Bro, this is like the sickest thing I've ever seen in my life. These are so nice, dude. It also has a plug here for, I believe, meth. Yeah, I think so. But dude, these are gonna look so sick in the engine bay. The first of many mods, guys, with Apex Built. Let me go ahead and open up the other one real quick and show you guys both of them side by side. I'll give you guys a nice little video of these tomorrow in the daylight so you can see like how good they look in the sun. But dude, the quality of these things too is insane. Bro, just look at that thing, dude. Oof. I am so excited for these. But yeah, I just really wanted to open them today and look at them. But unfortunately, we'll just go ahead and continue the video tomorrow, guys. As much as I want to put them on today, it's just not going to be a good video. The lighting's going to be off. I will be struggling. And yeah, I just want to do it right and just wait till tomorrow in the daylight and just film a good video for you guys. So without further ado, guys, don't click on the video yet. We'll be back in just a second. What's up, guys? Today is the day. We got the M5 right here in front. Let me go ahead and show you guys what the charge pipes look like right now. So they're actually not stock charge pipes. I got the car like this. I have no idea what brand they are or what. But this is what there is. And I have this little spacer thing, which is a BMS. So maybe the charge pipes are also BMS. I have no idea, to be honest. But yeah, pretty much we're gonna be taking these off. Taking off this coupling, all this, and slapping on the titanium ones. And we're gonna see how it looks. The engine bay does need a good wash. You guys can see up here how dirty this thing is. But yeah, maybe after we install them, I'll go ahead and give the engine bay a nice wash and see how it looks all complete. But yeah, without further ado guys, let's just get into the actual install. Alright guys, we got the charge pipes over here looking all types of pretty in the sun. Alright guys, let's start off by taking off these charge pipes. I'm not 100% sure if the stock ones are like the same setup where it uses this and a coupling, or if it's like all one piece or something. Because I believe on the 550, I'm not even 100% sure, but I believe it's all one piece and it's all rubber. But I could be wrong. So yeah, I'm just going to start off by taking off these charge pipes and then we'll work on getting those on. So yeah, all right, first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and take off all these clamps, and I might have to take off the bolts that are holding in the charge coolers in place. Maybe, I'm not 100% sure, but I might have to take them off so it can like give me some space to move it around. But yeah. Alright guys, we're finally done. These are the old charge pipes and the new charge pipes are now in, and bro, these look so good. Oh my god, I'm not even gonna lie, it was a little pain in the butt to put in. Not specifically these charge pipes, but just charge pipes in general, because they are 3 pieces. But dude, I just give these a little wipe down right now and they look so sick, man. You can see them right there. Oh my god, that looks so sick. I do need to give it a little engine wash. Like I said, I did wipe it down a little bit, but it still looks super ugly. But these are gonna look so good next to the future engine mods that we do have also with Apex built. We are working on a few other things already that will be coming a little more down the line, but yeah, these were the first thing that we were gonna get done, and they're finally done. And dude, I'm so sad because I gave it a tiny little scratch up here. I don't know if you guys can see right there. Man, rest in peace, charge pipe. I was so sad because of that, but other than that, it looks super good. It's really cool the fact that it says handmade for Anthony Ulloa. You guys can see it right there. That is so sick, man. All right guys, it's actually a few days later now. I decided to give the engine bay a nice little detail so we can give see how it looks nicely after like the engine bay is clean and stuff. So that's what we did. We came to a secret spot here. No, I'm just kidding, it's not a secret spot, but it's like behind all these stores and stuff. Just because the sun's going down super early. It's like 4 p.m. the sun's going down. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started and show you guys what it looks like. Here it is, guys. Dude, like, it looked good before, but now that I detailed the engine, I didn't even detail it, man. I just gave it a quick like clean. After I cleaned the engine, man, the engine bay, this thing looks way better. But dude, just look at these, man. These things look insane. The quality is on point. Look at that, guys. Handmade for Anthony. Yo, you guys see it right there. Bro, if that's not a flex, I don't know what is. But dude, like, it's such a small little detail, but it makes such a big difference. Especially after we get a few more little parts in here. It's gonna look so good. We gotta get rid of these stock intake boxes. We gotta get rid of these stock charge coolers. We gotta make the engine bay look as nice as the car looks outside. But yeah, guys, just look at this little view of the car. How good it looks. Damn, I did give it a wash. See how it looks, but oh my god, bruh. This is a dream car right here. This is a dream car, bruh. Super happy with the way the M5's coming out. I know this wasn't like a exterior aesthetic mod, but we gotta make the engine bay look nice, dude. We gotta be able to pop the hood when we go to car meets and be proud of it not looking so stock. But yeah, this is what those charge pipes look like, man. These things look insane. Like I said before, I'll have a link to them in the description below, the exact ones that I ordered. Dude, oh my god, look at the way that thing reflects on there, dude. Oh my god, these things look insane. Shout out to Apex Built. Like I've been saying this whole video, I'm super excited to keep working with them for future mods on the M5 as well as the X5, guys. Keep a lookout for that. I think the charge pipes were a great way to start the mods with Apex Built, and I'm excited for what's next. Hopefully you guys are as well. But yeah guys, I really just wanted to show you what this looks like in a nicer angle with the engine details. I think it looks way better with the engine detailed or cleaned. Anyways guys, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video, and I think a great way to start off 2022 with a nice mod on the M5 and show you guys kind of what we have coming for the rest of 2022. Super stoked for this year, super excited. Definitely hitting 10,000 subscribers this year, which I'm super excited about, and even more than that. But anyways, with all that being said, guys, hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below what kind of videos you guys would like to see with the M5 or the X5 or both together, whatever you guys want to see. I will have a link to the charge pipes in the description below so you guys can check them out for yourselves. And yeah guys, I know I've been saying this the whole video, but I'm super happy with the way they came out. They look insane in there. I know it's such a small little mod, but yeah, honestly really does make a big difference. But yeah, with all that being said, again, huge shout out Apex Built. Let's keep the mods coming with them, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.